Hello, you guys. For day 11, you will be able to use the calculator. On Schoology, I have the link to the Desmos Calculator, and I will be showing you today how to use it. Okay. So I have an equation that I have a system of equations that I'm going to input in this calculator. I'm going to use 1 as y1 and 2 as y2. Okay. So the first expression would be 8x plus 4. I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to enter the second expression, which is 6x plus 10. Okay. When I press enter again, I keep getting as many y3s, y4, y5 as I enter, right? But I only need 2, so I'm going to leave it at that. If you look at your graph on the right, if you click on that graph, you can drag it, okay, and move it around. You cannot see where they intersect because it's too open, right? So you can zoom out and zoom in through these buttons at the right, the plus and the minus right on top of the house. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to see where these lines are intersecting. Now your grid is going by 20s, right? So if you press on the graph settings, the little tool right there, you can make the steps go, let's make them go by 5. Okay, so you press a 5 there, you press a 5 here, and now you see how your graph is changing to 5s, right? You can zoom back in and see where they intersect. Okay, you can see that they intersect before 5, right? It's between 0 and 5. So you can make them go by 1s if you want to, okay? And so you want to do this because you want to be able to see where they intersect, right? So now you can also come to your left side, which is your equations, and you see the little wheel right here. If you place your cursor on the first equation, you press the edit list, and then you click on the table, okay? So we want to convert them both into our tables to see where the x values are going to be the same. Well, from what we can see right now, the tables are not showing you which is your x value, right? So this is what I want you to do. I want you to press on 2, okay? And then you're going to press 2 enters, okay? And then you're going to be able to see your table grow into more x values, right? And you're going to do the same on the bottom, okay? Now, if you look at your tables on 3, right? They both have the same y value, which means that the solution to the linear equations is going to be 3. Okay. Now you can make this back into a 5 if you weren't able to see it before. When you make it back into a 5, do you see how the grid makes little squares? And those squares are counting by 1s. So it will be 1, 2, and 3, and then you go up, and that's where both of them meet. And it's between 30 and 25, which is about 28, right? So I hope this helped. If you guys have any more questions, just reach out to me, okay?